Yo, what's up my people? Welcome back to this channel. Once again, it's Elijah Clinton with another banger video. Kama kawaida, if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe for more creative content like this one. So today we are going to look at sound creation in Nairobi, Kenya. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's go. Alright, welcome back. So a quick history about sound creation is that number one, it was founded in 2004. Number two, it is based in Nairobi, Kenya, and it has some very famous sub-branches in Kigali, Rwanda. So what you need to know is that Sound Creation Limited leads in Eastern Africa market in importation and distribution of world-class pro audio-visual lighting and acoustical solutions. Sema Gizungu. Okay, so they run operations across sub-Saharan Africa, and they are very good in what they do. That is in terms of world-class music and pro audio equipment for religious concerts, commercial and entertainment use. Yeah, so I will definitely recommend you to Sound Creations if you definitely want to upgrade your system. That is your PA, public address system, in church or any event or even entertainment use. Yeah, so let's take a look at Sound Creation. you.